Today, we're going to talk another novelty, which is the Nimak gun configurator, which simplifies project management in many, many ways. I am very pleased to be able to talk about the new user-friendly gun configurators for welding guns of Nimak. Thanks to the sophisticated design of the configurator, you can very quickly and very simple steps configure your guns, your welding guns, in an individual way. After the configuration, the right 3D model is available to you in a step format. You no longer need to have inquiries for new models. You no longer have to generate new data. All models are available online at any time. This means that you save costs and time. Now I'd like to show you the new Nimak tool on the Nimak website based on an example. So you go to the Nimak homepage and click on Zangenkonfigurator, gun configurator. The gun configurator now gives you a selection of a manual gun or a robot gun. Let's take the robot gun. And then there's a proposal. Is it for steel, for aluminum, and so on? We then select whether it's an X or a C gun. The next button is for the gun family. And for this example, we now select the multi-frame gun. And then in step 2, the first selection has been made, and you can select the throat depth, and you will then already see that there is a default, a kind of pre-selection that has already been made. You can also check other details and input other details by using the fixed arm or the movable arm and use the values. And the selection of the gun will then be reduced to your parameters. As you can see, the program has now selected a welding gun for you in line with your the values that you've selected. And the next step is a summary of the technical facts and figures, the robot welding gun. And finally, you have the position of the fixing of the welding gun. You must then click on the picture and decide about the position. And we now decide for the lateral connection, the P5U, and you can see that in the next step, you have the complete gun shown to you. The gun is now completely configured. You can then input your contact details, and then you will receive a download link from us. Thank you very much for your interest. We're looking forward to receiving you and seeing you on the Nimak website, and we're always available for your questions.